Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Srishti Prashad here on the occasion of Independence Day today. So, India got independent in 1947 on 15th August, and today we are gathered here to celebrate India's 78th Independence Day anniversary. So, India is ruling the world now. India gives us lots of things to world from a very civil society of Harappa to give a planned city of Chandigarh. From giving Rigved, Samved to giving the world largest written constitution. From making Pushpak Viman 4000 years ago to making Miraj and Tejas today. From given zero given by the Aryabhat to giving world the corona vaccine today. So India is the hub of knowledge in our ancient time. But because of some reason, some people are destroying our Nalanda University and we lost something. But still we don't lost anything. We have lots of things to study, we have lots of things to discover. And India is everything for me. As I am an Indian, I am very proud of myself that I am an Indian and I live in this place where every god were worshipped, where everything is worshipped. Whether it is a moon, it is sun, it is soil, it is everything we worship. Even we worship rivers. It is very amazing thing, right? In this hi-fi world, we don't used to pray join our hand and used to pray God. But Indian ancestors used to do this. Nowadays, in 21st century, people used to do yoga or meditation to calm themselves. But India doesn't do that. India do this millions of years ago because India know that the meditation and yoga make us calm and make our mind sharp and concentrated. So this is my India. And India is ruling the world today because India has the 5th largest economy in the world. Isn't it great? Because India, just think about it that India have 5th largest economy in the world. India's GDP is higher than everyone. Okay, and India is the first and the largest producer of milk, jute, and pulses. The 3 things which we need in our life because of protein. We need to go gym, and people used to say that just eat pulse or just drink milk because of calcium, because there are lots of vitamins. So that given by the India. India gives lots of things to the world. There are countless things that given by the India to British or to the whole world, to the whole universe. So I see India in this aspect. Okay, and do you know one thing? That when Independence Day comes, we always think about our male freedom fighter. We don't think about the females. What about the females? Who are the females who did this struggle for us and make us independent and live our life happily and without any fear? So there are lots of females in that time and now which are struggling yet. We got independent in 1947. But still we are in 2024, but still we are not independent yet. It's my concern, okay? Because somehow women are not independent yet. Women are always dependent on someone, whether it is her husband, it is her son, or it is her father. India always depend on someone. I don't know why. And we need to remove this. We need to educate women and make them proudly and make them earn money by their own. So this is what I want in this Independence Day, to make a woman independent and not depend on someone else, whether it is a concern of money, a house, or to live a peaceful life. Women are always dependent on her husband. Why? I don't want this. I just want women when the women are going out, she live her life in her own way. But I don't think that we live our life in her own way. Whether it is I am, you, and your sister and female in the world, they are always depend on someone else. We are living in 21st century, but still women are not independent yet. So this Independence Day, I just want that you make every woman, whether it is in your house, in your country, in your city, in the world, just make a woman educate or make them earn money by their own and not get dependent on someone else. So this is my thought on this Independence Day. By the way, India is ruling the world today. I said again and again. So happy Independence Day. Thank you.